Welcome to my Alfa Romeo 33. Oh my god. Hell, my shopping just fell. This is my Alfa Romeo 33. I have it for around 4 years. 4 years and 3 months, I think. This is a very special car for me. It's the first Alfa Romeo that I actually started to fall in love with. Not just because of his looks or his drivability, because it's not that pretty, it's not that comfortable, and it's not that isolated for the elements. It has a lot of rust, but it gives and it gives and gives and gives. Just keeps on giving. Not just this Alfa 33. I have a story, a very old story about my life that involves Alfa 33 1.5 Imola. That car was nothing special for me at the time. I just one day I knew that car was abandoned behind a tree, covered with bushes, and I wanted to buy that car. I did. The car was not running. I put the battery, gasoline, all that stuff, and the car did not want to start at first, but it did start at the first attempt, but it was not. It didn't want to run. I drove it for a few hours and everything stayed okay, and it did not give me any trouble for the next 2 years. After those 2 years, the car was taken away from me. That's a long story. If you want to hear about it, already there are a lot of people that know about this story. Maybe not in detail, but why do I have this car here? This one. I don't need to have this car. I don't need to restore this car. But I want to. I want to have this car and I want to restore it. Not just for the person that owned, the previous person that owned this car. It was my mentor. He is no longer with us. He passed away last year. But there is a bigger story behind this. So I'm trying to be short with this story. Many years ago, I was in a very dark place. I had trouble with my professional life, with my personal and love life, all at the same time. It was very difficult to overcome that. I did not let anyone try to help me, but I was afraid people would get hurt by my situation. And at that time I had nothing to live for, so I thought. And when I got that car, it was strange because I really connected with that car. During the 3 years that I had it, 2 years, he never let me down. Never. So on those 2 years, it was the only thing that did not let me down. After that time, it was taken away from me, that car, and not know where that car is, no idea. I searched for it for a long time and I quit. Years passed, years go by, and I knew my mentor, the previous owner of this car. A few years later, this car became for sale. I bought it. My mentor, my friend, it was really in need for that money because of health issues, and I bought the car. And I joined my will to have a 23 with the need to help a friend. So here it is. The Alfa 33 is here for two reasons: to help my friend and to help myself. I really think, at least at the time, I thought if it was not for that moment, that object that hold me and said to me, hold on, I'm here for you. Maybe at this time things will be different. But at the same time I'm a bit disappointed with myself because 4 years has gone by and this car is almost the same as it was when I bought it. So I promised my friend, who is no longer with us, that I would restore this car. It's running at least. The engine is tuned, brakes, it passes MOT, everything, but this car has a serious rust issue that I'm trying to solve. I have a lot of parts, but it's still very difficult. I'm sorry if my latest videos are a bit sad, but there are things that I don't like or want to hide. I don't want to make a happy face just because I'm on YouTube. YouTube is about the real things, at least from my point of view, and if I'm not doing the things that I'm supposed to do to get views and etc., it is because it is really difficult. And more difficult it becomes when I find out that people don't really care about it, at least some of them. So if you want to know more about this car or any other cars that I have, leave the comment below. It will be easier for me to track down which one of you is talking to me. And for today, that is it. Bye.